Hey guys, sorry about that, but it's a good thing I did check instead of running over. So far, I've got the card together. I've got my bow. Now I'm going to have to obviously untie it and retie it so it's closer to the card. But for now, that's okay. So, okay, first I need to glue down this flower. I'm just deciding what to use. I'm going to use my Xyron glue runner here. Those other ones that came in my friend's stuff that I got from her, I don't like them. They don't work well. They stick to each other, the sides, like it just doesn't work well at all. And I love my Xyron sticker machine, and I do use that. And because I like my Xyron sticker machine so well, I thought, well, when I saw these at Michael, I thought, well, I'll give them a try, you know, because their one product was really good, so gotta at least try their other ones, you know. Oh, almost got it. There we go. Figure out bird on there. Okay. I'm sticking my own fingers to it. Be so pretty. Oh, I like that very much. I need sorry, I don't know what I did with the marker for his eye, but oh boy. This yeah, this one will work. Just a little eye. Okay, now on the inside, I want to do this bird. I know it doesn't go well with the rest of the card because the card is really like an Asian style. But it is a bird nonetheless, the same as there is a bird on the front. And my sister loves this kind of bird, and it's for spring. So yeah. So first, I'm going to ink up the stamp. And hope it goes on good. Oh, perfect. I just love when they go on well. It makes me so happy. Oh. Okay, now I'm going to take a blender pen and So what I do is I put some on the lid. I just take the lid and the ink and put the lid back, just set it on. Get a bunch of it on my blender pen. And start doing the birdie. Now I should have waited a few minutes because, darn it, that black is not dry. Ew, it's ruining my bird. Okay, don't be like me. Don't be impatient. Because now what I'm going to have to do, I know I'm going to have, because that looks terrible. I'm going to have to put something over it. I'm not going to do it now while I'm making this video, but I'll show you what I'm going to do when I fix it later. I'm going to take this circle, I'm going to restamp the bird on here and color it and everything, wait for the black to dry first, then I'll just put it over top, and yeah, it'll be fixed. And then I'm just going to put something about spring. And I'm going to add a little bit of stickles, maybe some, do a little bit of the glimmer mist for sure. I'm going to use these, oh, I love this foam thing. It's really hard, dense foam that they put the brads into to hold them. But I'm going to use these two green corduroy brads because they go well with the card. So I'm going to put them there. Yeah, so that's, I think that's probably all I can do at the moment. Other than my stamp here, I can do that. So I'll just do that and then I'll finish the video with that, I think. Yeah, that looks good. It just says handmade by, and I will sign it after it's dry. So that's pretty much my card. Like I said, I'll add just a couple more touches after, but that's a really pretty card, I think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.